Hello, this is Jim Phillips once again for Remember Veteran Grave Markers. I'm here in the Willow Cemetery at really kind of a Civil War monument site. I'll show you that shortly. But what I want to do is take a look at, there's about 6 stones here that I want to pay attention to, and I'm going to share this with you. The first action I take on all my stones is, first off, is I will take a picture of each stone beforehand. This way we document what it looks like before we start our cleaning. Afterwards, what we'll do is go into setup and start our cleaning. This here is the one we will start cleaning first. It is important to know that we Remember Veteran Grave Markers, attend to each stone individually, using the procedures that are recommended by the Department of Veterans Affairs National Cemetery Administration. So, with that being said, let me set up. We'll start again.
Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.